If you have an import from China using Taobao Chinese shopping app, consider to watch this video and see how to use Taobao Chinese shopping app in English language, whether you are using iPhone or you are using Android phone. I have received a lot of comments as regards to how you can use Taobao Chinese shopping app in English language, most especially when you are using iPhone or for free. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688 Taobao or Pinduoduo or iFish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more importation business tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to use Taobao shopping app in English for iPhone user and Android user. Okay. Now, in my previous tutorial, I was able to explain a step-by-step on how to translate or how to use Taobao in English language with an Android phone. So here is the video right here. But as a result of this video, a lot of people have been asking me to make for iPhone user. Like this comment right here, have any free app for iPhone? So in this video, I will show you how to use your iPhone to translate Taobao from Chinese to English language. Very free and easy. Okay, but if you are using Android phone, simply watch this video. It's a very full detail on how you can use Taobao in English language. So let's dive in. So I'm going to assist from here. Then we have to head over to our Taobao. Right here, I'm going to click on my Taobao shopping app. So this is now for iPhone user. An Android user that find this interesting can also use this method. It is very much easy and friendly. Now let's, for instance, this is Taobao home page. We want to translate everything right here into English language. What we need to do is to simply make a screenshot of the page. Then having made a screenshot of the page, then what we need to do next is to simply exit from the page. Then we have to head over to our Google Chrome. So I want to believe that everyone must have Google Chrome browser on their phone. So I will simply click on my Google Chrome right here. Then I will simply come to the top right here. I will make a new tab. Next thing I need to do is to make use of Google Image Reverse. So for me to do that, I just need to simply click on this camera icon right here. Then I will make sure I select the screenshot. Then I will choose translate. It's as simple as that. Automatically everything here is going to be translated into English language. So you can be able to read everything that is written. So Taobao Coin, App Center, Logistics Center, Payment Center, Global Sales, Payment Support, Visa Card, MasterCard, Union Pay, Apple Pay, etc. Now, one very good thing about Google Reverse Image Translator is that if you want to listen to the translation in English language, simply click on listen right here.
Area. Recommend. Good price. Payment center. Basketball. Search. K. Payment support. Visa newbie guide. Storage bag Polaroid data cable bag charging. 200 plus people paid.
So you can see how simple and easy to use this particular Google Reverse Image to translate from Chinese to English language. Okay. Then another great thing here is that if you don't want to translate from Chinese to English, you want to translate from Chinese to your local language. It's very much possible. What you need to do is to simply click on here where you have English right here. So you can simply scroll down and choose whatever language you want to use. Let's, for instance, I want to translate from Chinese to German. I will simply click on here to download German language. Then I will make sure I click on download. So it's still download right here. So you have to wait until everything download successfully. So after a successful download, you can simply click on German. Then you can see right here, everything has been translated from Chinese language to German. So we can also listen to it. So for us to do that, we click on Listen.
6:52 P 4.636.162,81. Bereich Empfehlen. Guter Preis. Zahlungszentrum. Basketball. Suchen. K. Besonders. Taobao Münzen. Hilfezentrum. Logistikzentrum. Zahlungszentrum. Weltweiter Verkehr.
So it's that simple. So alternatively, if you don't want to use Google reverse image for translate, you can simply exit from here. Then you have to make sure you have an app called Bing. Microsoft Bing is also a useful app that you can use to translate from Chinese to English language or whatever language of your choice. So if you are using Android phone, what you need to do is to make sure you head over to your Play Store right here. Click on your Play Store, and then what you need to do is to simply type in Bing from your search right here. Type in Bing and click on search. Then you're going to see, and this type of icon is the right icon for Microsoft Bing. What you need to do is to download and install it on your Android phone. The same thing applicable to people that use iPhone. Just download and install it, then you are good to go. After a successful download and install, simply click on open right here. Then the very first thing you will need to do before you can use these features of translation, you will need to make sure that you register and create an account with Microsoft Office. If you don't have an account before, you will have to create an account. But if you have an account with them before, simply start using the Copilot. So right here, I'm going to make use of Copilot right here. I will just simply click on that, Copilot. Then the next thing I need to do is to make use of this camera icon right here. Then next thing I need to do is to simply click on this image icon. Then I have to locate the image on the screenshot on my phone. Next thing I need to do is to click on File Manager. Then always, then the screenshot here. So my Taobao screenshot, I will click on it. Then I will make sure I click on Done at the bottom right here. Click on Done. Now we have the image right here. Next thing you need to do is to say, please, can you translate this into English language. Then after that, click on Send. Then you have to wait for the AI to analyze the screenshot, and automatically it translates it to English language. AI has successfully translated everything we have on that screenshot. But one problem about this is that it's going to bring out text, just like what you see right here, unlike Google, where you'll be able to get exact point. So this is going to translate it in this way. You can also ask the AI, can you please translate it further to German, let's say German language. Let's see, then send. So you can see it automatically translates it back to German language. Okay, so this is how basically you can simply translate your Taobao account or your Taobao shopping app into whatever language of your choice. So right here you can see Microsoft Bing also make reference to Google Translate right here, and these are other suggestions that you can use for translation: deepl.com, en.pons.com, linguatools.net. So these are other alternatives if you are not satisfied with Microsoft Bing result as far as translation of the language is concerned. But basically I will recommend you make use of Google Image Refast because it's very fast, efficiency and accurate, and basically it also translates the language right from the screenshot. You get the result not extracted from the screenshot. So basically this is how simple and efficient free way to translate your Taobao shopping app from English language to whatever language of your choice using Google Image Refast or using Bing AI image or using Bing AI app to translate from Chinese to English or whatever language of your choice. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about importation business. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688 Taobao or Pinduoduo or IBFish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.